Welcome to our YouTube video on injection molding. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what injection molding is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Injection molding is a manufacturing process where melted material, usually plastic, is injected into a mold cavity under pressure, cooled, and solidified to produce precise, complex parts in large volumes. Think of injection molding like using a syringe to fill a shaped mold with liquid chocolate. Once it cools, it takes the exact shape of the mold. So, why is it so beneficial? Because it enables mass production of high-precision components, reduces manufacturing time, minimizes material waste, and is widely used in automotive, consumer goods, electronics, and medical industries. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.